Hey guys, it's Kevin Shaw with the Watercraft Journal, and we're doing an installation of the new Strapinno dual locking retractable ratchet straps. These ratchet straps mount directly to your trailer, and I've found to be one of the best products that I've encountered in the last few years. I've always used ratchet straps instead of the regular tie downs to hold down my watercraft, and the Strapinnos have been really great in this case. So for our Magic Tilt trailer, all we did was pop off the end caps, and we took a stepped drill bit, attached it to our electric drill, and opened up the hole just a little bit because the Strapinno straps come with a large 5/8 bolt with a nylock nut and big washer for the end. So you just got to make those a little bit bigger, and that way you can take the actual ratchet strap and feed the bolt through it with no problem. You definitely want to make sure that the wire harness is not in the way. You definitely don't want to drill into your wiring harness. So with that, we just feed the bolt through the hard mount backing plate of the ratchet strap, feed it through, take our hardware, and just hand tighten it. We're going to keep it a little bit loose. Obviously, we're pointing down. We're going to have it pointing up when we're done. But this hard mount allows us to always know where our fixed mounted ratchet straps are. What makes the Strapinnos actually really cool is the fact that they offer a automatic retracting spring in there. So they will, when you release the tension on it, will coil back up all in the spool by themselves, and that just makes for a cleaner application, and you're not having to tie anything up or throw it in the bed of your truck. So now that we've got a little bit of tension on the nut, we can point it up in the direction that we want, and then just ratchet it or wrench it down as tight as necessary. These are a permanent fixture. We've got 4 on them, 2 for each bunk, and that way we have our strap at the beginning, and we've got our 2 ratchets for each bunk at the back. And with that, we hit the release button. Make sure that we are actually released. You got to make sure the handle is pointed all the way down. I had to learn that here on camera. But you hold that white release lever down, and it allows you to pull the strap up, and it locks in place. And with that, you can ratchet it down, and you've got all the tension necessary to keep your watercraft perfectly snug and good for a good road trip, whether a couple blocks down the road or cross country. Thanks again, guys. I hope this helped, and make sure to check out the Watercraft Journal for a full report.